May 22, 2022 says, another house transformed, another custom made, stains be gone carpet. Clean it, let's go, yeah, let's go. Fresh results, rolling in, every room glowing. When we stepping in, truck outside shining with the chrome all in. Neighbors peeking out like who company is this? Deep clean magic, every single pass. Dirty carpets disappear real fast. When we'll admit the job, it's security win. Fresh results, rolling in. Morning time grinding in a rock lock tight. Equipment loaded up in the van look right. Pulled up smooth with the fresh uniform. Customers smiling at the front door porch. Air smelling clean before we even start. Attention to detail that the stains be gone. Every fiber lifted, every lane restored. Turning door carpet in the showroom floors. Corners untouched by the last company. Now they seeing real professional luxury. Steam cutting through every traffic lane. Even soft texture while removing stains. Gas running, hoses stretched. Customers watching like I'm impressed. Before and after pics too cold. Transformation game on overload. Fresh results, rolling in, every room glowing. When we stepping in, truck outside shining with the chrome all in. Neighbors peeking out like who company is this? Deep clean magic, every single pass. Dirty carpets disappear with it real fast. When William hit the job, it's security win. Fresh results, rolling in. Shouldn't be using they all 5 stars. That consistency taking business far. No gimmicks needed when the work that strong. Customers calling back all year long. Hallway bright, living room revived. That odor vanished and the softness arrived. Kids hit the flow like wow, it's clean. Even the homeowner shocked by the scene. Fast dry setup with the airflow blast. Quality work built for a long lasting. Service so sharp, every move precise. That owner operator touch hit different every time. From Fayetteville streets to the surrounding blocks. Fresh truck pulling up around the clock. When the door swing open and the one come through, you already know what the team gon' do. Fresh results, rolling in, every room glowing. When we stepping in, truck outside shining with the chrome all in. Neighbors peeking out like who company is this? Deep clean magic, every single pass. Dirty carpets disappear real fast. When William hit the job, it's security win. Fresh results, rolling in. Fresh results, rolling in. Fresh results, rolling in. May 2030, we stamped another win. Making old carpet feel brand new again. Stains be gone, carpet cleaning. Yeah, the fresh keep rolling in. May 22, 2022 says, another house transformed, another custom made, stains be gone carpet. Clean it, let's go, yeah, let's go. Fresh results, rolling in, every room glowing. When we stepping in,